Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here in my YouTube channel Septeria18. I have a fun project I'd like to share with you all, and it's a project using one 6x6 paper from your 6x6 paper pad. And with that you can make this cute little fun mini loader pocket, and you get a few little tuck spot in these or in this cute little pocket, and you can add your goodies in there. Add some of your fun projects that you want to add into your happy mail, or if you wanted to add some extra goodies in your packaging, this is a great little way that you could add your goodies in as well. So this is how it looks like. It's really cute. Again, there are a few little pockets in here where you can add all your fun stuff that you want to send off to your crafty friend, or if you are in a swap group. This project is also great if you are a beginner in Happy Mail as well, and if you want just some more inspiration or ideas on what you could do to add some extra stuff in your packaging. The good thing about this is the project doesn't need a scoreboard to make this cute little loader pocket, and it will fit nicely in an envelope as well. You can wrap it up with some tissue paper once you've added all your goodies in there, and then just slide that in your envelope and it's ready for you to send off as well. It doesn't have a lot of space for a lot of bulky goodies in there, but again it does hold a few stuff in there, and you can also make this a mini loader pocket using a larger size papers as well. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can make this a fun pocket with just one 6x6 paper, and I'm going to show you how to make one of these as well. But what I'll do is I'll show you what I've got in here first and how it looks like when it's not filled up with the goodies, and then we'll go ahead and make one. So in this front pocket here, there's two little pockets here where you don't have a lot of space to add a lot of goodies, but it is a good spot to add some embellished projects like what I've made here, which is on a wood pick. And I just made this cute little embellishment with a cupcake liner, and then I layered that with some tulle and a butterfly shape from my butterfly paper punch, and this is just some organza ribbon to make a bow. So that's one of the projects I made that I managed to put in this pocket. And this is a charm dangle that you could also place in there. And then on this side of the pocket is another altered little paper clip. And then I made some wood pick banners just using my scraps. So these are just some fun little goodies that you could add in these pockets if you want to send this off to your crafty friends. So these are the pockets. I'm just going to see. So that's the width of what the pocket looks like. So there isn't much room, but just enough where you can slide some of your altered clips or wood picks or other pieces. Oh, and over here is a little mini envelope that I've made using a circle paper punch, and then I made it into a cute little mini envelope, and this is just a little tag that I placed in there as well. And then in the back here is the deeper pocket where you can place some more of your larger goodies, and I've got here some embellishments that I've made that I packaged in a seal clear bag. And this is a tab die shape topper. Well, it's a tab die, but I made it into a topper, bag topper, and I embellished it with a word sentiment. So that I'll put that in that pocket. And then I've also made a little mini file folder with some more pockets in here where you can use that as another spot to add some goodies in there. So that's the inside of the middle pocket. So it is quite a deep pocket. And then on the back side is another pocket. And in that pocket I've put in there some embellishments, again with a inside a clear bag with another tab die shape that I made into a bag topper with one of my word embellishments. And I've also put in there a tiny envelope that I have with some ephemeras, and then you can decorate the front of that with some of your embellishments. And that went in that pocket, so that's that side. I hope I was in frame the whole time. So then I decorate the front of the pocket with some more ephemeras. And that is what I managed to put inside this mini loader pocket with one 6x6 paper. So there are a few fun goodies that you could also put in there. These are just some ideas that you could do or that you could put in there. Otherwise you can also have whatever you like that will fit in these pockets. So let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how you can make one of these. Again, it's really easy. Just need one piece of 6x6 paper from your 6x6 paper pad. Again, you can make this in different size paper that you like as well, but we're going to make this out of a 6x6. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to bring the bottom one up to create your pocket, and we're going to bring that up. And what you want to do here is you just want to bring it up to however deep you want your pocket to be. So however deep that pocket will be will also depend on the depth of the middle pocket. So I roughly have folded my pockets to about 1 3/4 of an inch. I didn't measure it. I just sort of eyeball it to where I would like how deep I want my pocket. So I'm happy to have my pocket about that deep, which is about 1 3/4. And then all we're going to do here is we're going to put some glue on each side there. You can use your double-sided tape or liquid glue. I'm just going to use my liquid glue, and we're going to place some glue just there. When I get my glue out of my, here we go. Okay, so just a little bit of glue to one edge, and then a little bit to the other side, and we'll bring that up. And press that down, and we'll turn that over. And then what we're going to do here is we're going to bring this side over and then this side on top of the left side. So we'll bring that over just like that, roughly about in the middle, and then this side here we'll bring that over. And what we want to do here is we just want this to overlap about 1/4 of an inch on top. So I'm just going to place that about there. So about in the, it's sort of in the middle but not quite in the middle, and then that one over that one. So everything lines up. So you want that about 1/4 of an inch overlapping. So just making sure all your paper lines up nicely. So that is what you want your paper to look like. So you'll have your pocket there, and then you'll have a pocket up there, and then these two little pockets there. And what we're going to do here is we're going to just adhere all the papers together. So we'll open that up, and we're going to place glue all along the bottom edge there where we fold the paper. So we'll just add some glue there, or again whatever adhesive you like to use. I forgot to top up my glue bottle with my glue, so I don't have much glue left in here. So we'll just put some glue all along the bottom. We'll bring this over and seal that bottom bit. And then we'll bring this one over. Now before we bring this one over, we're actually going to put a bit of glue along here, but just up to about there. And we'll do that now. Just put a bit of glue about there. And then we're going to bring that over. And that should seal all the pockets together. Alright, so now we've got all that all sealed up. This part here, where we didn't glue, I'm just going to, okay, I didn't bring my glue dot. So what we're going to do, I haven't got my glue that I'm going to adhere it with, but with this part here, we're just going to bring that over, and we're just going to bring that over like that, and you just want that this part here to just line up with that one. Bring that down there, and then also with this one here, you're going to bring that over to line up with that one. That way you'll have a little opening in the front there, like that. And then you can just use a glue dot, some glue, whatever is going to that you like to use. So that's going to go down like that. And then with this part, I'll just also place a bit of liquid glue there, just on the corner, and bring that over. Just making sure it all lines up nicely. And that will give you that middle pocket there. And then you just have fun decorating your front of the pockets. Mine's not quite sealed as yet, but I'll just bring this over, and that way you'll have your middle pocket there, you'll have a pocket there, and then you've got these two little pockets. I'll just use this where you can add your smaller stuff in the little pockets in the front there. And that is how I made my 6x6 cute little mini loader pocket with all these pockets in there. I do hope you like this video. If you do want to give this a go, I hope you do, and I will see you in my next video, and I will see you then. Bye for now.